Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. While you're here, make sure you go ahead over and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So let's get into this video. We are going to go ahead and put the book title, which is Small Business Owner. I'm going to put entrepreneur, order tracking, brain dumps, and note taking journal. Okay, it's not a part of a series. The author will be my business, coins, and connections. All right, we're just gonna put it is a small business owner journal. Let's do that in bold. I love that they added some, stuff here. We're gonna put that it is a 5.5 by 8.5, has 120 pages, line journal, matte cover, perfect for note taking and inventory and brain dumps to keep your business organized. Also makes a great present, or great, because I don't know if those words are also great for new small business owners, because sometimes KDP does not like that word, presents or gifts. We're just going to opt out of that. I do own the copyright to this. I'm gonna put in some keywords. People are always looking for my journals. Entrepreneur. Let's do business journal. Brain dump for business. Notebook. And just gonna put stationery business. Choose your categories. Let's look into education. Let's see what we can find in education. Or we could find business. Let's see. Nonfiction, business and economics. We could do general, banks and banking, bookkeeping, business writing. Let's do commerce. Does this book contain any languages? Nope. I'm gonna hit save. Go to the next page, get my free ISBN. Of course, you can buy your own depending on what type of level you are on. I never put the publication day. I'm doing a black with cream interior because I feel like the cream paper is a little bit thicker. Here I'm gonna go ahead and select the 5.5 by 8. I'm doing a bleed in PDF, doing matte cover. I'm gonna upload my interior that I downloaded yesterday. I'm gonna hit open on that. It's gonna upload it. And then I'm gonna upload my cover and it'll do the preview. Note that sometimes you can use the cover creator, but I always like to upload mine as PDF. So that's the second option there. Let me go to downloads and find the cover. There we go. I'm gonna hit open. Wait for that to update and then it'll go ahead and let us launch the previewer. Okay, we're gonna launch the previewer to check our book out. Everything should be fine. It should not be any issues. The cover size should be correct. The interior should be fine, but note that this system does sort of detect any issues before you go through that process if you need to go back and change. This is also a good time when you go to the previewer to make sure that your title is the same that is what's on your cover, because a mismatched thing like that will definitely cause you issues. If you don't want anything on your cover, you must have a journal with at least 100-page to have something on the spine. Say you have beautiful artwork and you don't want to put anything or title or anything, you can put something that describes your journal on the spine, but whatever is on the spine needs to be in the actual title location of your journal on KDP. A lot of people miss this step, and a lot of people are getting hung up on this actual section of the cover and the titles matching, how many pages, making sure you don't use words that are trademarked. So you can go viral on TikTok and tell people to upload a KDP journal, but there's so much more to just publishing and putting it up. Now, if you go viral on TikTok, of course people are going to buy it, but can you duplicate that success without going viral somewhere? Actually knowing the education and things like that is what's going to bring you longevity in this actual business. I've been publishing journals since about 2017, and I've been publishing books since 2014. So here it is, 2021, and I'm still getting an income from KDP because I understand the business. I understand what I need to do to be successful in this business. It is taking a little long to bring up the covers. I'm going to pause this and then come back. All right, so here is the print previewer, a small business owner, same exact title here. It's authored by Coins and Connections, making sure all your wording is right. Nothing is wrong. If so, you would see like some red dots here. You can feel free to look at your journal. It does do this a lot. It looks like the lines are not there. I promise you it's going to print correctly. I don't know why it does that. It's been like that for a long time, and I've never had any issues when I actually get the book. I'm going to hit approve and let that go through, and we will move to the next step. Our next step is to go through the pricing. It's telling you here that the standard price to print this book is $2.29 in the US. If you're in a different country, it has those prices for you. That is saved. Now I am going to go where I am going to create my price. For this journal, I'm just going to charge $5.99. It's just because mainly it's to me, it's just we're doing this for this project. I am going to include extended distribution in here, and even at $5.99, I'll still make $1.30 from this book. That is not bad at all. Now it tells you it takes about 72 hours for your book to be available for purchase. You can actually order a printed proof, and the printed proofs come with this proof sticker stamp across the front. If not, and you believe in what you've done, you can go ahead and create it live, publish your paperback book, and then once it's live, you can order author copies. I am not going to show myself purchasing this journal. I will show the unboxing, but I'm not going to show myself purchasing this journal just because I already have a video up showing you how to order author copies. Just search on my YouTube, author copies Cinquanta Cox-Smith, and that video should come up for you guys. I'm going to publish my paperback book, and it's going to tell me it's going to take the 72 hours. Sometimes it takes longer. It just depends on how much stuff they have in their backlog right now. But that is pretty much it. I have hit this to go to publish, and the next video with this journal that you guys will see is me unboxing it, and it will be available on Amazon, and I'll definitely provide the link if you would like to purchase this journal. I hope you guys enjoyed a video of me uploading my small business owner journal to KDP. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.